Stormwater systems will require some amount of regular maintenance in order to remain healthy and continue functioning properly for as long as they should. For permeable pavers, regular maintenance includes a handful of tasks that may require professional assistance. For the first 6 months following initial construction, the system, as well as the contributing drainage area, should be inspected at least twice after any significant amount of rainfall. For grid paver systems, the grass should be mowed at least once every 1 to 2 months during the growing season. Continuously ensure the contributing drainage area is stabilized to prevent erosion. Remove any soil or sediment deposited on the pavement. Any necessary pavement surface areas that are degenerating or spalling should be replaced or repaired. 2 to 4 times every year, depending on the amount of rainfall, the pavement surface should be vacuumed with a standard street sweeper to prevent clogging. After the first 6 months following initial construction, annual tasks include a routine maintenance inspection and weeding for systems that utilize grass. Once every 2 to 3 years, any accumulated sediment in the pretreatment cells and inflow points should be removed. If the system becomes clogged, it may be necessary to use a regenerative street sweeper across the system's surface. In addition, joint material may need to be replaced. For proper and thorough system maintenance, consider calling stormwater professionals to help. Ensuring permeable paver systems stay healthy will help our waters remain safe and clean.